Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone using the Brother Image Center ADS-1500W color desktop scanner, the DKKPIA 24V AC adapter. This isn't just any generic power supply. It's presented as a highest quality option designed to be a reliable home, travel, or wall charger for your scanner. One of the first things that stands out about this DKKPIA adapter is its universal input voltage. With a range of 100 to 240 volts and 50-60 Hz, it's truly a global companion, making it incredibly convenient whether you're at home or on the go. This broad compatibility ensures that your Brother ADS-1500W scanner will always have the power it needs, no matter where you plug it in. Safety is paramount when it comes to power adapters, and the DKKPIA unit appears to have this covered comprehensively. It boasts a sophisticated circuit design that incorporates multiple layers of protection. We're talking about safeguards against overheating, overcurrent, and overcharging. This intelligent design is crucial for protecting not only the adapter itself, but, more importantly, your valuable Brother scanner from potential electrical damage. The manufacturer emphasizes that this safe design, coupled with high-quality materials, ensures the charger's temperature remains at a low level during operation, providing an extra layer of security and peace of mind during every use. Beyond its safety features, the DKKPIA adapter is described as being very durable and remarkably easy to operate. Its robust construction suggests it's built to withstand the rigors of daily use, whether it's constantly plugged in at your desk or packed away for travel. The multi-safety protection features contribute to its secure operation, making it a trustworthy power source. Furthermore, this adapter is designed with higher energy efficiency in mind, which is not only good for your electricity bill, but also positions it as a more environmentally friendly choice. It's always a plus when a product considers its impact on the Earth. Manufactured with the highest quality materials, the DKKPIA adapter aims to deliver consistent performance. The brand also backs this product with a solid 30-day money return guarantee, coupled with promises of excellent service and 100% satisfaction. This commitment from DKKPIA certainly instills confidence in potential buyers, assuring them that their purchase is a rest-assured one. For anyone needing a dependable, safe, and efficient power solution for their Brother Image Center ADS-1500W scanner, this DKKPIA 24V AC adapter presents itself as an outstanding choice, offering both performance and peace of mind.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.